be addressed. In accordance with Article 61 of the Rome Statute, the Court's founding treaty, and Rule 1211 of the Rules of Procedure and Evidence, the main purpose of this initial appearance is to answer 3 questions. Firstly, the Chamber must ensure that the person who was the subject of the arrest warrant has been informed of the crimes of which he is accused.
What is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Alam mo ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung pinag-charge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo lang.
Second, the Chamber must ensure that this person has been informed of his right as recognised by the Rome Statute.
Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition.
Third, the Chamber must set a date on which it intends to hold a confirmation of charges hearing.
You have to give me time. Wala akong big, wala akong big. That is,
Ito di po rin.
you can arrest me tomorrow. I have to go home and pack up and get me to bed. That's the most decent thing to do.
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Naku maniwala nga, hihilain ko yan. Kaya tapos manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. Kung gusto naman ito ngayon, pamo niya lang ako.
Personnel, babalik na rin po ba yun?
Oo, wala silang bise.
Walang mga visa.
Walang visa. Walang bise. So,
Okay.
kasi nga biglaan eh. We couldn't apply for anything eh.
Okay.
So, they were allowed to board but not to disembark.